The app that I'm going to be talking about today is ClassKick. ClassKick is a free app that you can use, but there is a pro version. The pro version is $12.99 per month, billed annually, or $17.99 billed monthly. You can have one teacher up to 160 students, unlimited assignments, and more. But really, for all that I use it for, the free version is just fine. So first I'm going to show you what the student view is. When the students log on, this is what they see. There's a spot to put a class code, or they can log in with an email address. But for my age group, it's easiest to type in a code. So here is the code, 7YS. And you type in your name. So if you're using it with a group of people, if you were to type in the exact same name, so if you had a group name that you guys agreed on, then it's going to bring up the same document for you all to be working collaboratively. This is the sample that is one that, like I said, I've used it in my classroom. So this particular assignment, it's a composition assignment. The great thing about ClassKick is you can create pretty much whatever you want. So this has drag and drop elements. Up here on the toolbar, you can see there's a bunch of different options. Like I said, you can put in text, you can draw a line, you can put in a link, you can add a picture, and what's really cool is you can add audio. So I can use this when I'm assessing their singing voice or something. So from the student view, what their assignment here was to drag and drop and create an assignment. So on their iPads, they can just tap these dots and manipulate them and move them around. So this is what it looks like from the student view. I'm going to go ahead and log out and show you what the teacher view looks like. So the teacher view is really cool. There's some really cool things that, oh, wrong email. There's some cool things that the teacher can do. So this is what the teacher view looks like. These are some of the different assignments that I have used. In the free version, you only get like 10 assignments, or I think it's 20 assignments. So the one I was just on was this create, perform, melody. And you can view work like this. So I have assigned different classes for who I wanted to do the assignment. They're all organized here. So if I wanted to look at 5th grade, here's all their work. So from the teacher view, you can click on any of them. You can watch them work in real time. You can, if I wanted to provide feedback, I could do it up here. And another cool aspect is this feature right here. The students, they can raise their hand. You can't see it from my view, but if I was teaching in a class, I would be able to see who wanted help. So if I was not immediately with a student, I could look at my device and see who needed some help. So that's ClassKick. It's a really great assessment tool and lots of opportunities for different collaboration.